Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Coinbase account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Once you end up in the official web page of Coinbase, click on the sign up button at the top right hand corner. Select your account type, whether you'd like to open an account for an individual or a business. And once you make a selection, click on get started. On the next page, fill in the form displayed on the screen. Type in your first name in the first text box. On the next field, type in your last name. Now, provide an email address for yourself into the email address text box. On the next field where it says password, create a password which includes minimum 8 characters in it in order to secure your account. Now, click on this little box beneath in order to certify that you are 18 years of age or older and also to agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Finally, click on the Create Free Account button. Now, you might need to set up two-step verification for your Coinbase account. So choose your country from the drop-down and enter your valid mobile number and click on Send Code. Enter the verification code that will be sent on your mobile number via SMS and click on the Submit button. Now, add in a bank card to your account so that you can start buying some cryptocurrency with your Coinbase account. Click on the Set Up Bank Card option and enter your card details in the text boxes. Start off by typing in your name on the card, the card number, the expiry date, and then the CVC code, and also enter your postal code in the text box and click on Add Card in order to add in a payment method. If you'd like to transfer crypto to your Coinbase from another exchange or wallet, then you can click on this Yes Transfer Crypto and start transferring a cryptocurrency to Coinbase. You can also skip the process for now by clicking on Skip for Now. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you have successfully created a new Coinbase account. That was how you can easily create a Coinbase account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.